though from the eruption in 2010 that leads up to the Skogafoss Falls. I am now right under the falls practically. Pretty cool. Okay, this is where James Bond shot across the ice to battle Zhao in 2002's Die Another Day. Over, out, push. The big glacial lake. Seeing James Bond Die Another Day. This is the waterfall walk under. Pretty cool. And the day is getting better. It's been pretty much raining all day. So now we'll enjoy the rest of the evening with beautiful weather. Now I'm to the side of the waterfall. Now I'm behind the falls. Now I am behind the falls. Now I am behind the falls.